Welcome to the Emerging Technologies Roundtable. I'm joined today by Abby Eon, SVP and General Manager of our Kepware business, and by Howard Heppelmann, DVP and GM of our ThingWorx IoT solutions. We're here to discuss how companies like yours can and are connecting their products and operations to close the loop of product lifecycle, drive more efficiency, and improve quality. Abby, Howard, thanks for being here. Let's just talk about our IoT solution strategy. Clearly, there's been sessions on Navigate, and that's kind of the engineering piece of it. But Howard, can you just talk more about the things we're doing in the factory and the field?
Yeah, and let me do it, though, through the lens that we were just talking about. If we think of a closed-loop digital thread that starts in engineering, makes its way to the factory floor, and then brings data back again, what's in the portfolio that does that? Well, clearly, you've got Creo and Windchill, and you've got NPM Link, which is used to essentially transform the bill of material and create that desired digital twin of the operations. But then we're making that handoff into the ThingWorx solutions like Connected Work Cell, which is the vehicle for delivering that content on the shop floor to the operators, but we don't stop there. Connected Work Cell is looking at also how does the process itself unfold for the operator. So we're gathering all those metrics that were designed in NPM Link. We're now saying what's actually happening on the shop floor. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then we're able to feed that data into the cornerstone of our factory solution, which is digital performance management.